by the time we're going to be done with the class or this workshop, I call it, you should be able to go home with some kind of secret that you can use for yourself that other perfumers are already doing. So if you're talking the major companies out there, like big, huge, top brands, they're doing similar things that what you're going to learn today. There's no difference. It's just that you will be able to do it yourself, and you will be able to go ahead and do it in such a way that nobody will know how your fragrance is the way it is now. And it will start to learn how to speak to each other the right way. Now, how the accords are made. Let's say, for example, you take one fragrance and you take another fragrance and you blend them together to a point where they're no more two separate fragrances. They become one. Let's take orange and apple. If you put orange and apple slowly together, you will start to smell one note. They're going to become synchronized. If you look at the papers that you have gotten, on the paper, if you look at the other side, actually for you it's going to be not the notes, where the numbers are. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. On the numbers, you will see it says on the top, like let's say, for example, if you can put orange or apple, whatever your two ingredients that you're going to mix today, whatever. If I put orange on one and I put apple on the other, I'm going to put apple 9 drops, and 1 drop of orange. And I'm going to smell it. I'm going to say, okay, does it smell orangey? Does it smell appley? And if it smells only one note, then you know it's not the accord. You're going to move to the next one. You're going to do 2 drops of orange and 8 drops of apple. And you're going to test it again. Okay, does it smell orangey or more appley? You're going to say it smells more orangey still. Let's do the other one. Then you're going to go to the third one. You're going to put 3 of those drops and 7 of those. Eventually, you're going to get to a point where it's going to come to an harmony. That's what you're trying to do.
You're switching it up each time?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Ah, somebody's very happy.
Yeah.